At the heart of Billings lies our remarkable City of Billings water treatment plant. This state-of-the-art facility plays a vital role in sourcing water from the precious Yellowstone River and transforming it into a safe and appealing drinking water by removing unwanted chemical, physical, and biological contaminants. This process has been refined over the years to make it modern and efficient. 2 intake structures draw water from the river. One of them is placed near the center of the river where the water is deeper. This allows for the water treatment plant to access enough volume for the city's needs during low water years. Any large objects, such as driftwood, are prevented from entering the plant through physical barriers. The river water is then mixed with small amounts of polyaluminum chloride to begin the coagulation-flocculation process. Polyaluminum chloride helps bind particles together, which causes them to become heavy and fall to the bottom. The water slowly moves along the sedimentation basin where the freshly formed particles remain at the bottom. The cleaner water leaving the basins is pumped to the filters. Chlorine is added to disinfect the water as it travels to the filters. The filters have 2 layers of media, anthracite and silica sand. The filters trap fine particles from the water as it travels down through them by gravity. After the water passes through the filters, it is pumped into the UV disinfection building. In the UV disinfection building, the UV light passes through the water to sterilize any microorganisms that were not eliminated by the chlorine. Next, the water is pumped into large clear wells that provide time for the disinfectant to work before being sent out to the community. Finally, with the use of large pumps, water is distributed through a piping system to water storage tanks throughout the city. There are pumping stations and water storage tanks strategically placed throughout the city. This allows us to meet water supply demands and maintain adequate pressure at the faucet for the consumer, wherever you are in Billings.